All right. You are listening right now to the microphone, built-in microphone of the Alpha 7 IV camera. So built-in mic, and this is the way it sounds. This is how the camera records the audio without any external mics. This is it. This is the camera's mic. Again, ECM-M1. This mic, 8 modes in one single mic. What does that mean? That you can actually go in the back of the mic and change the mode, specific mode for a specific different recording that you want to do. Ultra-directional mode, which is very narrow. It's like a boom mic. So let me just grab the camera and I'm gonna turn it, and you see I'm from here, from the side, and it's going to hear me very different. This mode is just a little bit wider. Probably taking video of two guys talking and something like that. Yes, from where you are, it goes a little bit wider. So it depends of your needs. And the third one is called Uni-directional, which is even a little bit wider. What does that mean? Well, so if you have a group of people from where you are, a couple feet away, and this is very wide. Again, if you go out of the range, it's not for that. If you got people talking on the side of the camera or even in the back of the camera, this is not the mode for it. And the mode number 4 is called omni-directional. Let's say I turn this camera around. So you can have people from the back of the camera, on the side, and you want to capture like music, or you want to capture a little concert, or you want to capture different things in specific scenarios, then you put it there if you want to capture audio from all over the angles. Number 5, super-directional. And I just switched it. So the audio, you're going to hear the audio very good because it is going the direction of the back of the camera, the receptors, right? But if I talk in front of the camera, you can probably hear right now how different it will be if I'm talking this way, because that mode is not for that. Now I'm in the front of the camera and you can probably hear me a lot better. Or if I turn the camera around and I am blogging, asking questions to somebody that actually is I'm interviewing, or I want to talk to somebody and I want to all that recording the video, this is the mode for that. Number 7, super-directional, but now left and right. So if I talk to you this way, it's gonna be okay. But if I talk to you this way from left to right, guess what? Like a car is passing by, it will record first on the left and the second on the right. So right now, whatever sound this mic is recording is basically mixing it up to give me stereo sound. So remember, 8 different modes for this mic. It's very versatile, very high quality,